My name is Naya White. Right now I'm starting off as a painter helper. And that entails helping painting whenever they need it, starting to learn things on my own, and them teaching me and accepting coaching whenever needed. I went to Paul D. Camp and did the summer program straight out of high school. First, we took the tests and stuff to be able to qualify to be able to be on the site. And then they took us through classes and stuff to learn about the quals and the trades and all that. They took us through painting and coating, insulator, rigging, crane operations. It was tiring, a lot of studying. Had to be focused early mornings and stuff. I got to work kind of immediately after doing all these classes, and it wasn't a hard process. Honestly, I like the painting. It's fun, make you seem creative, and it's laid back. I found my answer at the Virginia Community College.